Hi, welcome to Run Run Deal. Today I'm here to show you this really cool activity book for pre-K. It's a really nice book. It has 36 pages of fun. This is ideal for any kid 3 to 5. And on the first page, as you can see, they're going to identify themselves with their name, their gender, how old they are, and they can even include a picture of themselves. And then they'll start having activities such as the ABC. They'll see the letter, how to draw it, how to write it. So really cool product. It has all the letters of the ABC, and then after the ABC it comes the numbers. So that's really cool too. After the numbers you're gonna have your shapes. There's lots of fun activities in here for the kids. They're gonna do numbers again, match the number with the amount of fruits or vegetables, match the sizes, then they're gonna trace shapes and lines. So really great product. There's even some words in here that they're gonna start tracing, and just a really great product. It comes with these erasable markers. So there's a variety of colors that you can use and erase with this little whiteboard. And it also has a carrying case. So like that, you'll always have everything you need to keep your toddler entertained on a cart ride, or if you go somewhere and you want to keep them busy, just put everything in your little bag and you're good to go. So great product, highly recommend. Hope you guys enjoy it.